Sickle cell disease affects 20 million people worldwide. Let's zoom in to sickle cell anemia. It's caused by an inherited hemoglobin mutation. Hemoglobin is a 4-protein complex with 2 proteins, forming each alpha and beta globin, and it's found in red blood cells. Normally, these cells are biconcave, round, with a flat center like donuts without a hole, and transport oxygen. Inheriting altered hemoglobin, or hemoglobin S, means there is one beta globin mutation that makes these proteins pull at the ends of red blood cells and sickle them. Now, cells can't move easily, block blood flow, and cause many issues, including excruciating pain. Biotechnology can be used in treatment here, in 2 forms involving bone marrow stem cells. The first uses a hackable virus. Let me explain. We can replace the virus genes with a corrected beta globin gene made from donor genetic material and insert it into harvested stem cells. The virus will then take over a host cell, make it reproduce its genetic material as it normally does, and infect the other cells with the corrected genes. Once the cells are back in the bone marrow, the new cells will develop with corrected genes. The second uses CRISPR. CRISPR utilizes a Cas9 protein and a guide RNA. A guide RNA is made to match a selected sequence, BCL11A in this case, and put in a Cas9 protein. What is BCL11A? It's a repressor that stops fetal hemoglobin production, which the body does not need after birth. The Cas9 will read cell DNA, and wherever it finds BCL11A, it'll identify it for cells to delete. This fetal hemoglobin has alpha, and here's the difference, gamma globin. It doesn't utilize the mutated beta globin at all. When we put the CRISPR-edited cells back into bone marrow, they make the fetal hemoglobin and unaltered red blood cells. In 2019, Victoria Gray was the first patient to be treated with fetal hemoglobin, and she won't be the last. Last September, it was authorized by the FDA. While it has its cons, it gets rid of transplant rejection issues and can provide a better quality of life for so many people. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something.